Ayan, good day everyone. Welcome to Ethics on Air, where in this podcast we listen and we don't judge. So the podcast today we're talking about important ethical issues in our digital world. So I am your host Gab, and today we talk about something many of us experience. Digital fatigue. Tama ka naman, Jessie. Super exciting ng new episode today. Kasi makaka-relate ka dito. Like for example, holding your phone all day, endless scrolling, online classes, notifications, and deadlines na kung saan leave us feeling mentally exhausted. So today we'll talk about what digital fatigue is and how we can manage it. Joining me today is Lexi. Welcome to this podcast, Lexi.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me, Gab. Digital fatigue is very real, especially for students. We spend so much time online that sometimes na-realize natin na mentally and emotionally drained na pala tayo.
Ayun no, I can definitely relate that and also our live audience for today. Ayan, kitang-kita naman na they are excited to see you, Miss Lexi. So
Thank
sometimes we
you.
think, 'di ba? Sometimes we think scrolling is a way to relax, but after spending too much online, we actually end up feeling more tired, no, Lexi?
Yes. Since digital fatigue is connected to digital ethics, kumbaga being responsible online is not just about respecting others, it's also about respecting ourselves, our time, focus, and our well-being.
Yeah, I agree with that, Lexi. Technology help us in many ways. But of course, without boundaries, once again, it can affect our mental being. Physical and mental being. So, Lexi, how do you personally combat digital fatigue?
Okay, so one thing na pinapractice ko ngayon is to set screen time boundaries. First is I avoid to use my phone bago matulog dahil too much screen exposure at night can affect my sleep quality. And I also turn off my notifications or DND to avoid notifications that doesn't need my immediate attention.
Ayun no, Miss Lexi, they also relate to you like Modi and sabi nga ni Jessie na dapat talagang ilimit yung screen time. Most of our live audience really relates to you, and that's a good practice. I also take short breaks while working online. I stand up, stretch, drink water, or simply rest my eyes. Sometimes a short pause can rest our minds, ano?
Yes, and we should also reconnect offline. Like we should spend more time with our family and friends, exercise, do journals, or do activities that don't involve screens. Technology should support life, not replace it. Di ba,
Ayun
Gab?
po, thank you for sharing that, Miss Lexi. Small habits can really make a big difference. And sabi ni Payeno na nakaka-stress talaga kapag babad na babad ka sa screen. And what do you think our challenge for today to our live audience, Miss Lexi?
Okay, so to take one mindful screen break, rest your eyes, breathe, stretch, and disconnect for a few minutes. Rest is not laziness, it is digital responsibility.
Digital fatigue is very real, but we are also not powerless against it. We can set boundaries, take breaks, and use technologies in ways that help us grow rather than drain us. And this has been Ethics on Air, na kung saan in this podcast we listen and we don't judge. Thank you very much, everyone, and to our live audience, to your
Thank you,
insights and reflection for
everyone.
today. Thank you, Miss Lexi, for joining us.
Thank you also, Gab.